How to tell someone you love them without saying anything at all. Love languages have proven to be beneficial. They've taught countless people how to show love without using words. The following are examples of expressive love professions. Physical contact. Giving some gifts. So, if you are having trouble speaking, bringing your computer game equipment on the cruise to engage them in a play can be what you need. Or, seeing your companion or a member of your family face to face if you have to. If these words are not your style, or you do not think they are enough, here are some ways of showing someone you care through actions. 1. When they are nearby, neglect your smartphone, so they realize you are paying attention to them. 2. Effective listening is an excellent way to show them you are interested in what they are saying. 3. Give them a thoughtfully crafted, customized present. 3. Extra points if you make anything with your hands. 4. Perform an assignment for them or make an effort to make their lives easy in a certain way. 5. Make more time to do something fun with them that you know they will enjoy. Remember the musician that's starting tonight? 5. Guess who got the tickets? 5. 6. Keep in mind all details about them. 6. It demonstrates that you pay attention to them and worry about them even when they aren't present. 7. Turn up to lend a hand when they need it. Stay with them when their family members or pets die. 8. Sit down with them to offer assistance when they require it. 9. Send them a hug, if they are comfortable with it, of course. 10. Make a few sexy times, if you are romantic interests and they are satisfied with it. 11. Toss them a stick or a ball so they may run after it, find it, and return it to you. 11. This is a fantastic solution for your dog, but not so much for your video gaming partner. How do you tell someone how much you appreciate them? Even when you appreciate someone strongly, expressing your feelings might be tough. There are numerous methods to express your gratitude to loved ones. Speaking graciously to them, showing them your whole attention, and behaving kindly to them will help you express your appreciation. Here are some typical ways you can apply. Believing someone can sometimes be a way of expressing your gratitude for them. Tell some individual things about yourself that you would still not express for anyone. Let them be closer to you, and they'll realize how much you value them. For instance, you could tell someone how much you enjoy a childhood anecdote that you usually keep secret. Being around those in need is a sincere expression of gratitude. If someone you admire begs for your assistance, do everything you can to assist them. If you know they're going through a difficult moment, try to help them in any way. For example, if they have to face many difficulties, you may give them food or offer to help them with their housework. Another way to show that you appreciate someone is paying attention to them. In particular, you should engage in conversation rather than being distracted by mobile phones or televisions. Besides, you should also pay attention to what they are saying and show real interest in them. How do you show someone they mean the world to you? Life is short of wasting time on the computer or hiding emotions. We should express our feelings to the individuals we care about. We shouldn't keep it hidden. Some have no qualms about stating things like "I adore you" or "you mean the world to me," for example. Others have difficulty showing themselves, whether via words or deeds, which is entirely understandable. They may have a lot of feelings, but they don't know how to say them. People sometimes label them as emotionless or unsympathetic. It's especially difficult when you are in a romantic affair, and your spouse is constantly saying sweet small things to you that can make your heart flutter, but you cannot respond. If you have trouble saying things out loud, you can demonstrate them in a variety of ways. You may accomplish a lot with many sentences that convey how much you care while remaining unobtrusive. You can also explain yourself through little gestures, which will disclose more about your emotions than meaningless words can. Also, pay attention to what your companion does if you're not sure how they feel. It will inform you of everything you need to know. Actions speak louder than words, they say, and it's not for anything. With that stated, stay tuned for the finest methods to tell someone what they mean the world to you, which are listed below. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you for watching.